Yeah, I can't wait for my friends to come over today.
Oh, hey Pikachu, how's it going?
Oh, Mr. Cinnabon, you here too?
Yes, I just started to stop by and have some fun with my kissing.
Oh, hey guys. Well, how's it going? Good.
Oh, Mr. Teddy, you're here too. Okay, so we're just waiting on, we're waiting on Jessica, right?
Yeah, she's gonna bring something. She said she had a game for us to play, so I'll try to figure out. Oh, I wonder what that is all about.
Hey guys, I bought a Rubik's Cube.
A Rubik's Cube, huh? A Rubik's Cube.
Mr. Cinnabon, do you know how to say Rubik's Cube? Oh yes, you said it a long time ago, huh? So the bigger one. Looks like it was already solved, but messed up, kind of. I don't know. I know I sold one back in college. This one's kind of how to, I don't know how to describe it. But how to, like, move, kind of. It's like some sort of sticky force. It doesn't look like I can't do it. Oh, let me try me. Oh yeah, it does seem hard. You try it.
Okay.
Okay, I got one. Oh, I got the purple side. Got the purple. One purple side. Triggered. I got purple down inside right there. Okay, that's kind of hard. Huh. Yeah, it's hard. Well, what else do you guys want to play?
I don't know. It's kind of hard to think of what to play these days since we can't really go out. I mean, we can go outside, but not really anymore. I don't.
Oh, yeah, me either. Oh yeah, me either. Oh my god. With me on work, it's kind of hard me not to play games anymore. But when I was you guys' ages, me and my friends, we used to play the Super Nintendo when we were bored. Yes, let's play maybe a game. You guys like, now in you guys' era, we got Nintendo Switches.
Yeah, Nintendo Switches, huh? Well, I've been playing Super Mario Odyssey again.
I've been playing Zelda.
I've been playing Zelda.
Oh, I've been playing some Pokemon lately.
Yeah. Well, no, I'm gonna go home, you guys. See ya.
Okay, I better get home too. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Well, it's just me and you.
Yeah.
You wanna go into my room and play? Yeah, this sounds fun. Let's go.